I've tried to persuade so many people to take up the Action Coach, because every time I meet another business owner, it's one of the first things I tell them, you know, have you thought about this? And I tell them about the results that I've had, and you know, also how enjoyable it is. And it's not just results in the business, it's results in your personal life as well. But one of the problems is that I was fully immersed in the business and not really driving it forward. Yeah, I think it was more lack of any personal time. I was spending 100 hours a week working every week and taking no holidays. I may have taken like just a week's holiday once a year to give me something to look forward to, but it was becoming quite ridiculous, and I couldn't sustain it. And so, you know, in terms of my personal life, I didn't have one. Running a business is a very lonely job. You don't always have other people like yourself to bounce ideas off and to refer to. So having that resource was quite encouraging, and it would give me a reference point, you know, on a regular basis to monitor my progress, and also to have that push, that motivation every couple of weeks as well. So that was very appealing. At the very start, to make some 3-year goals, you know, where do we want to be, and work our way backwards. But also every quarter, we look back over what we've achieved and set some more quarterly goals. I mean, my coach is you know, he's very friendly, but he has a knack of you know, making you do things by motivating you and setting you challenges, because who else is really, you know, if you're working on your own, you're the head of a business, you know, who else is holding you accountable and really challenging you and challenging your values and your beliefs. In fact, the investment that we've made in ActionCOACH is we've had a 15-fold return on that investment in as little as 10 months. It's been transformational, but everything that we've tried so far has brought beneficial results. So, for example, we made some changes to our website, and we got a 20% increase in our conversion rate, which is going to bring in, you know, tens of thousands of additional revenue in each year. In the full 12 months prior to ActionCOACH, it was 1.4 million net, and that's gone up to 1.8 million now. And our profit has also increased from 8% to 10%, and that's heading up. And our gross profit has gone from 30% to 35%. Got a better social life. I'm seeing much more of my daughters, for example. I'm doing more activity at home, you know, whether it's cooking, walking, listening to music, doing things of general interest. So it's extremely beneficial, and my colleagues have noticed probably a more positive outlook. I was always quite an optimistic, positive person before, but they've noticed a great deal more of that since I started with ActionCOACH. Oh yeah, very much. Yeah, can't wait. Yeah, and I look forward to coming into work every day. And yeah, this feels like a great big project now. And as we're seeing results, it's really rewarding.